As you can see, just went for a run in the rain. It's good old Florida rain right now, but the reason I'm doing this real quick is because while I was running, there was this young person that was driving up and down the road super fast in one of the little small fast cars. And then they tried to hit a real hard turn, and of course, what's the car do? Spins out, runs into a stop sign, knocks it completely over. Car gets stuck in the mud, they can't get it out. I went over there first to check, make sure everybody was okay. He was good, and then I told him, look man, the car can be replaced, but did you know that I pushed my daughter on this sidewalk? Did you know that other kids walk with their mom and their dads on this sidewalk? What if there was a family right there? Cars can be replaced, man. One choice can mean everything. Be safe out there. Think about the people around you. It's gonna be all right. Peace.